Today we're going to look at sequences and we're going to determine if they are a geometric sequence or not. Then we're going to figure out the common ratio and we're going to find a specific term in the sequence using a formula. So first we're going to look at the sequence -1, 6, -36, 216. To figure out if it's geometric, we're going to look at the first term and we're going to see if I can multiply the first term by a number to get to the second term. So -1 to 6. I have to multiply -1 times -6 to get to 6. If this is geometric, that's going to be true for each next term. So 6 to -36. 6 times -6 is -36. Okay, so that works. -36 to 216. So let's see. Is -36 times -6 216? Yes, it is. So that means this is a geometric sequence. Now, since it is, that means it has a common ratio. The common ratio is what you are multiplying by each time to get to the next term. So that would be -6. Now, it says to find the 10th term. I can do that without multiplying every single term by -6 until I get to the 10th term. And we're going to use this formula over here. So the formula says a to the n is equal to a1 times r to the n minus 1 power. So an represents the nth term, so that's whatever term you're looking for. A1 is your first term in the sequence. The common ratio is whatever you're multiplying by to get to the next term, and then n minus 1 means one less than the number of terms power. So if I'm finding the 10th term, I'm going to write an equals, the first term in this sequence is -1 times, R stands for common ratio, that was -6, and then I'm going to put that to n minus 1. So I'm looking for the 10th term, so I put 10 minus 1. Okay, so now I have to do -6 times 10 minus -6 to the power of 10 minus 1, and then multiply that by -1. Okay, order of operations says I have to do this first. So that's basically 10 minus 1 is 9. So that basically means to the 9th power. So I'm going to do -6 to the 9th power. And I'm going to use my calculator for that. And then I'm going to multiply by -1. I get a really big number. I get 10,077,696. So you are going to be completing the worksheet posted on It's Learning, and you're going to be using this formula in order to figure out specific terms in a sequence and identifying if they are geometric or not.